And welcome to Sevenfold Design's bid response to Bloomington Entertainment and Art District's request for proposal. A bit about us at Sevenfold Designs. We are a design studio based in Cleveland, Georgia, but our location policies make us adaptable and easy to collaborate with, BEAD being in Indiana despite our home base being in Georgia. We're also flexible with timelines and payments as we put your success first. We promise measurable results as we aim to achieve numerical proof of the effectiveness of our design solutions. Our values are community, creativity, and growth, and we specialize in marketing, electronic and print collateral in a variety of sizes and mediums across social media, posters, flyers, and merchandise, and we excel at providing consistent branding across media. Our communication policy ensures our staff will regularly be in touch with your staff to ensure our designs are on the right track. Your cultural district emphasizes the community and visitor experience to attract and maintain supporters. You celebrate interconnected business and creative sectors by providing economic opportunities for growth. You might notice that many of Sevenfold Design's core values and priorities align with BEAD. It's obvious that BEAD is a wonderful cultural district that provides richness to Bloomington, Indiana. So why redesign marketing materials? Who wouldn't be an immediate BEAD fan? Well, the issue is that BEAD is one of 12 cultural districts in Indiana, with the other 11 being shown here. The Indiana Arts Commission classifies cultural districts as a well-recognized, labeled, mixed-use area with unique, authentic art and cultural identities. Each district is a statewide leader in cultural development. These pie charts show breakdowns that compare BEAD to other Indiana cultural districts. The first pie chart shows that while $600 million were gained in creative industry earnings as a total across all Indiana cultural districts, $513 million came from BEAD's competitors. While $87 million is still a lot to be proud of, visual marketing can help BEAD grow. The second pie chart gives us an idea of where BEAD's potential target demographic lives. Over 15,000 people with creative jobs do not live in zip codes surrounding Bloomington. Therefore, it is extra important that visual marketing is strong, informative, and eye-catching to attract those who might not be directly in your backyard, so to speak. There is an opportunity to have an even greater reach and higher earnings with some design updates to marketing assets. Marketing matters, and Sevenfold Designs can help you to achieve the goal of effective deliverables. Let's get into the executive summary. The essence of our proposal. We can help update and improve current marketing materials by focusing on interactivity, visual cohesion, messaging, and branding. As mentioned earlier, Sevenfold Designs prides ourselves on providing concrete metrics and numerically achievable goals. So for each updated deliverable, a goal has been established to show redesign results. We'll get into what these numbers mean later. Statement of problem. Many aspects of BEAD's current designs are working well, and one is the foundational branding elements. The rounded typeface, complementary colors, and distinct iconography provide a great foundation for a memorable, expressive, and powerful visual identity. However, there are a few visual inconsistencies, one being color. Currently, brand colors are only seen on the logo, and we can utilize those across media for cohesivity. As seen in this first color palette, the website uses neutral gray, black, and blues. While this is clean, it does not make use of those strong brand elements we just mentioned. The second palette here shows the map's colors. Many new colors are introduced, which can be noisy or confusing for viewers. A limited, distinctive palette might be best for branding, and BEAD's logo already has a set of 4 colors ready to be utilized in deliverables. Another inconsistency is with typeface. As you can see, the current website uses a more generic typeface, whereas the BEAD logo uses the rounded typeface seen in this map legend. Ensuring all text is presented using a consistent typeface is important in establishing a cohesive visual identity. Another visual inconsistency in current designs is messaging. Here are BEAD's mission, definition, and core values as stated in the proposal given. These attributes make BEAD the impactful, powerful, and one-of-a-kind cultural district it is. That's definitely something to brag about. Therefore, mission and values should be stated on marketing materials for viewer understanding of BEAD's identity. Scope of services. Sevenfold Designs will always maintain the goal of achieving our clients' desired visions. For BEAD, this is marketing the community-based cultural district using consistent branding with designs that allow for flexible reproduction. Website objectives focus on interactivity through branded color, underlining, and shapes, and also on messaging through renaming tabs to the sectors shown in the logo. Through these changes, Sevenfold Designs feels that website engagement will be increased to 60%. This means that more than half of users will interact with the website due to its engaging, visually useful elements. Let's see this in action. So here we have some mock-ups of the suggested tab bar on BEAD's website. The tabs have been renamed to the 4 defining sectors: art, dining, show, market, and about for additional information. The first mockup shows interactivity through color, so when a user hovers their mouse over the show tab, the color associated with show in BEAD's logo fills the word. The second mockup utilizes the same concept using an underline, and the next through shape. The last mockup has each tab in its branded color from the logo, and then the hand-drawn chalky texture from the logo underlines the selected tab. Not only do these options clearly indicate the selected tab, creating a more accessible and interactive experience for users, but the branded elements help build that cohesive, consistent branded identity. Map objectives focus on simplification of color palette, adding concise labels, and eliminating the legend. These updates can be measured through a map experience survey. After people use the map, a survey will ask them about their experiences on a scale from 1 to 5, with 1 being poor and 5 being helpful. The goal is to average at least a 4 to illustrate the effectiveness of this map redesign. Here's a brand guideline template for the updated work. As stated earlier, the 4 colors provide a foundation to avoid overcomplication for clearer navigation. The 4 icons that represent the 4 main sectors will be emphasized on the map to highlight locations. Poppins is an example of a rounded typeface that expresses BEAD's branding. These guidelines ensure the map appears clean and organized in both color and typeface, so that more labels can be added without being visually overwhelming, replacing the need for a legend. Poster objectives focus on mission, values, and a call to action. Signage can be a useful tool to convey messages. The updates on this poster are predicted to encourage users to visit BEAD's website more frequently, and therefore increase monthly traffic by 20%. Here's a mock-up of these ideas in action. The current signage has been modified to include BEAD's slogan showing inclusivity, connection, and community. Underneath is the mission statement and a QR code to an informational introductory video on BEAD's website. A viewer might stumble across this poster and be unaware of all of BEAD's inspiring values until reading this. The addition of these informative educational elements could allow BEAD to reach more of those 15,000 creatives who do not live in zip codes surrounding Bloomington, like we mentioned earlier. Let's review some competitors. The Downtown Beaumont Cultural Arts District has goals similar to BEAD, so let's see how they present their deliverables. Their websites, brand colors, labeled tabs, and mission statements are of importance here. The effectiveness of these elements aligns with Sevenfold Design's proposal to visually define BEAD through colors, tab renaming, and the stating of values. You might notice their map colors are not a perfect match to their other deliverables. Sevenfold Designs prides ourselves on our attention to detail and would ensure consistency. However, just as an example, these branded colors here emphasize key areas and location types, eliminating the need for a legend. Like BEAD, their poster presents their logo and name. However, the elaboration on mission and values matches our proposal to inform viewers and brag about accomplishments. Another competitor is the Third Ward Cultural Arts District. Like BEAD, they connect people through the arts. So let's take a look at how their designs present their identity to stakeholders. Like the Beaumont Cultural Arts District map colors, the typefaces used here are not all the same. Sevenfold Designs would be aware of consistency in artwork for BEAD. However, Elements such as the geometric shapes are really strong in conveying the branding visuals. The tabs are interactive through the use of underlines and shapes, and the video is embedded to give information on values and missions, supporting our proposal. This map expresses branding using the color palette and icons to create a clear path for viewers when navigating the area. However, the legend is a bit busy with so many words in small type. This supports our proposal to eliminate beads legend and instead use branded elements and more labels to create an organized system. This poster is all about values. It uses a creative format to share a lot of great information about different parts within this cultural district. Signage is used as a medium to inform viewers. So what does this all lead to? Now, these pie charts are a bit hyperbolic, but they show that marketing truly matters. Visual updates to Bead's current assets can help Bead achieve even greater success in reaching communities and connecting diverse lives through art, culture, and entertainment. Design updates can boost Bead to generate more creative industry earnings and reach creatives who live outside of the Bloomington area. So don't be a stranger. Sevenfold Designs would be honored to work with Bead on these updated projects.